Welcome to Daily English for Real Life. Hello, lovely students and my friends. I'm so glad you're here today. If you've been wanting to speak English more confidently, but don't have anyone to practice with, don't worry. You are in the right place. This channel is all about helping you learn English that you can actually use in real life, step by step, at your own pace. Before we start, I want to invite you to like this video if you find it helpful, subscribe to our channel for more practical English lessons, and leave a comment below telling us where you're from and what your English goals are. I love reading your messages, and your comments inspire us to make even better lessons for you. Today, I'm going to share a simple method that really works to improve your English speaking skills, even if you are learning by yourself. But first, let me tell you a story of someone just like you, who wanted to speak English fluently and found a way to do it all on their own. The story of Melissa, from Cologne, Germany. Melissa is a young woman from Cologne, Germany. She grew up in a German-speaking environment, and from a young age she had a fascination with languages. English, in particular, fascinated her. She loved listening to English songs, watching English TV shows, and reading English books. She dreamed of traveling, making friends all over the world, and participating confidently in international meetings. However, Melissa faced a major challenge. No one around her spoke English fluently. At school, she had learned grammar rules and vocabulary, but she had never really practiced speaking with someone in real life. Whenever she tried to speak English, she felt nervous. Words didn't come out naturally, and sometimes she would start a sentence only to forget what she wanted to say. Other times, she would translate directly from German to English, which made her sentences sound awkward. Melissa loved English, but the fear of making mistakes held her back. She was learning English passively, but she wasn't speaking it. One day, determined to improve, she discovered a simple method that changed everything. Melissa's method, imitation. The method is simple but powerful. Melissa started by watching short English videos online, paying attention to pronunciation, sentence structures, and how native speakers expressed ideas naturally. The key is not to memorize every word, but to understand the meaning and repeat it in your own words. At first, Melissa could only repeat short phrases like, "The boy is running," "She is happy today." Then she started slightly modifying them. "The child is running quickly." "She feels happy today." This method is called imitation. Imitation means listening to something in English and then expressing the same idea in your own style. You don't need to copy the exact words. What matters is communicating the same message clearly. For example, if you hear, "She goes to the market every Saturday to buy vegetables," you could say, "She buys vegetables from the market every Saturday." Every Saturday she visits the market to get fresh vegetables. All of these sentences convey the same idea, but in slightly different ways. This is how Melissa learned to think in English and speak naturally. Step-by-step practice. Melissa practiced in 3 main steps. Step 1. Short phrases and sentences. Listen carefully, pause, and repeat. Speak clearly, even if your pronunciation isn't perfect. Examples. I like tea. She is a teacher. He is running. Tip. Record yourself to notice mistakes and improve gradually. Step 2. Longer sentences. Listen to a full sentence, pause, and repeat in your own words. Example. Original. He didn't go to school because he was sick. Melissa's version. He was sick, so he stayed home. Another variation. Because he was not feeling well, he stayed home instead of going to school. Goal. Learn how to express ideas in multiple ways and build fluency naturally. Step 3. Full topics or stories. Listen to a short story, pause, and retell in your own words. Don't worry about forgetting parts. Focus on the main ideas. Example. Story. John went to the park yesterday. He saw his friends playing football. They invited him to join, and he had a lot of fun. Later, he bought ice cream and went home. Retell. Yesterday, John visited the park. His friends were playing football, and they asked him to play too. He enjoyed the game, and later got some ice cream before going home. This step builds confidence and helps you think and speak in English naturally. Why this method works. Learn correct sentence structures naturally. By hearing and imitating real English, expand your vocabulary. Learning words and phrases in context. Overcome fear of speaking, practicing regularly in your own words. No need for a partner or classroom. You can do it alone. Gain confidence. Each small success improves your fluency and comfort. Melissa also followed some useful tips. Record yourself to notice mistakes. Practice daily, even for a short time. Focus on conveying ideas, not memorizing words. Start simple, then gradually increase complexity. Melissa's progress and encouragement. After a few months, Melissa's English improved dramatically. She could hold conversations, tell stories, and even joke in English. She felt confident and proud of her progress. What started as nervous attempts to speak English became a daily habit that empowered her. The beauty of this method is that it works for everyone. You just need your voice, your time, and your willingness to practice. Step by step, day by day, anyone can speak English fluently, even without a classroom or teacher. Your next steps. Here's a simple plan you can follow. Choose a short English video or audio clip. Listen carefully to a sentence or short phrase. Pause and repeat it in your own words. Record yourself and check for improvements. Gradually move on to longer sentences and then full stories. Practice daily and stay patient. Improvement takes time, but it will happen. Remember, small steps every day lead to big results. Don't worry about being perfect. Speak, make mistakes, learn, and keep going. Just like Melissa from Cologne, Germany, you can speak English confidently by yourself. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I hope Melissa's story inspires you to start practicing English on your own. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to English for Real Life, and leave a comment below sharing your English learning goals or telling us how you practice. Your support helps us create more lessons for learners like you, and your comments inspire our community. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember, you can speak English confidently, one sentence at a time.